My name is Michaela and I play the Pooka, which is the costume I'm in now, and I also play the maid in the Unreal. Playing the Pooka in the Unreal is a lot of fun, especially in first season. Everyone thought it was a little bit creepy, a little bit intimidating, but then they come around to the fact that it's actually quite an adorable, just kind-natured little character, and it's quite mischievous, so yeah, it's very fun to play Pooka. Getting ready to play the Pooka every day actually doesn't take too long. There's just a few little pieces to put on the head, but it fits on quite neatly. I'm pretty much ready to go. The most time consuming is getting the Pooka's hands ready because they don't look like these. So I do have a dance background, mainly in musical theatre, which is quite big and theatrical, obviously. And because the Pooka is non-speaking, the way he communicates is through his body language, how he moves, his mannerisms. So I definitely can apply that musical theatre, that dance side of things to communicate what the Pooka's like, his personality, and all those little fun quirks. So being the Pooka on set around all the real characters, the real people, or the Unreal is quite funny, it's quite interesting. And to be honest, I quite often forget that I am the Pooka and I have this large, ridiculous head on, and I'll just say something to someone or do something and they're just totally taken aback. So it's quite amusing and seeing people's reactions when the Pooka's about and they're not expecting him to be there. They are having moments. I've caught a few of the cast and crew off guard as the Pooka. Obviously, they're quite busy, they're doing their bits, moving about, and then when they just suddenly turn around and see a Pooka head right in their face, it can be quite a little bit scary for them. I hope you enjoy the Unreal Season 2 and get to find out a few more secrets about the Kellys.